Hi, on this video I'm going to explain what I did for this code challenge. Basically this is a React application that consumes some specific services from an API built on Rails as well, as the specifications for this code challenge indicates. Um, I'm going through the code and try to explain what I did for these code challenges. So basically, I have a main app component, the load patient form component, and this patient form component is basically the most important component for this. Once the component did mount, I load the formulations. I just consume a service that gives me these formulations data from the database, and once I have this information I load the ingredients, so I have these values, this data in arrays or on the state of the application. And at the bottom of this component I have the form, name, address, date of birth, formulations as select options, and once formulations get data from the service I just map this object and render a formulation item for each of them. And once I select one formulation from the list, I let me show you. I load ingredients by formulation, and this method calls this information from the API. And once I get this information, the formulation ingredients var gets a value, and this application is waiting for this data to iterate and render information as well here. This is the bottom part of this application. I'm going to explain at the browser. Let's do an example. John. Once I select one formulation, I have the formulation ingredients as a template, as the specifications of this code challenge indicates. And if I change it, this list changes as well. Let's see. I'm going to select this one, and I have a value by default and maximum and minimum limit, so the user can see the description for each ingredient as well, just clicking on this button. One. And once I set this information for each ingredient, I just click on send, and this information is stored on database. Let's see. Here we have John Street 10. This information is stored on reports table. So this is what I could build for this code challenge. The next step is to print this information on an HTML file with the option to export or print um, as a PDF file. Well, I tried to do it, but I couldn't because of the time, and I wanted to have it done for today. Um, well, this is what I did. I'm going to upload the latest changes so that you can check it out.